Plotagon is a very amazing app that you can use to create your animated videos. You can use these videos for business purposes. Let's say you want to advertise your product and service. It's so perfect for it. There are some videos I downloaded from YouTube. I'll be sharing it with you for inspiration. Meanwhile, let's briefly get you through the basics. Now, Plotagon is a free app, but it also comes with subscription, the bronze, silver, gold subscription, and each subscription is a monthly package. So when you tap on any of them, it gives you more features. Let's say voice pack, you get more characters, you get more scenes, and the rest of them. But today we are going to make use of the free features. Now let's try to create our first character. Now to get started, you tap on the start button, select character, create new character. Let's create a pretty lady. Now in creating your character, you're presented with lots of options. The first one is the gender, the second is the shape of the face, the third is the hair, fourth mustache, fifth eye shape and color, sixth sunglasses, hats and the rest, accessories, seventh your dress, the eighth is the trousers, followed by the shoes and the voice, and finally the name of your character. So let's just start with the first one, the shape of the face. Let me choose a female. Yeah, okay, still on the female. Shape of the face. Oops, is this actually a female? Let me go back. Yeah, female. As we modify our character looks, it's going to look more feminine. Okay, that's great. Now let's choose the eye color. Excuse me. I love ladies with blue eyes. Okay. Now about the eyebrow. Okay. Lipstick, the lip color. And let's see. Color of the shirts. Just change it to black. So this is how you do excuse me. This is how you do to modify your character. So you just make use of the options there, modify it to your thirsts. You tap on the voice,
how do I sound? How do I sound? How do I sound?
There are different voice options.
How do I sound? How do I sound?
From a lighter tone to a deeper
How do I sound?
tone.
How do I sound?
So the choice is yours to make. So now give it a try and let's see how far you go.